paradise. Today is my last day, really my last morning. My flight leaves at 1 o'clock and it takes about an hour and a half to get to the airport, so I am going to try to leave at 9:30 just to make sure I get there on time, because when we were coming here there was a lot of traffic, so it took us like about 2 hours. Just want to make sure I get there on time and stuff. So I am so excited. We're gonna go back to eat at El Cielo for breakfast because their food was so freaking delicious. Oh my god, guys, if you're in Tulum, actually when I'm back here next, that's where I'll be eating a lot. So yeah, I can't show you me because I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna take a shower, get ready. Guys, can you hear the birds chirping? It's the best. I love nature. I love this. This is fun. Saying goodbye to this place. Bye bye. And gonna go out for breakfast now. This is me. I am really a fast packer. I'm in between the 5-6 trips that I've taken within the last 6 months. Yeah, I am an expert at packing now. It literally takes me like 15 minutes to pack, which is amazing. And I'm excellent at making like so many things fit in this little carry-on. I wanted to get something bigger. I think I'm just gonna stick with this because it works, you know. I make the fit. Closing the door now, saying goodbye to the birds and this little pond.
Y'all told me that. Y'all buddy.
Good morning again. I don't know how many times I've said good morning today, but we are on our way to probably we're on our way to breakfast at El Cielo. My favorite, my second favorite spot for breakfast.
Calzamalca is numero uno.
Yes, Calzamalca is like the #1 place for breakfast. I'm pretty sure their dinner and lunch are just as amazing. I wish I had, you know, the chance to try all of them, but there's always going to be a next time. So cannot wait for the next time I'm here. And then I'll be heading to the airport. And one was here for another day. So I'll see you guys when I get, or when we get to El Cielo. Yeah, for brekkie. Bye bye. We are back at El Cielo, guys. My favorite place in town for breakfast. And Jose is waiting for me to drop me off at the airport after here, so I am sad that I have to leave this place because I love it here so much, and I just love the vibe in this little place. It's so cute. Look up top. Look at the tables. I love it. And here's the menu. How cute. It's inside. Welcome home, baby. Our food is here, guys. Oh, Super Bowl, the best bowl here. We have the same things. So good. Look, guys, I just said goodbye to Manuel. I am on my way to the airport now, and I love it here, but I am excited to go home. I do wish I was here a little bit longer. I would not have mind going back home. Here's a Tulum sign. I wouldn't mind going back home until like next week. I could definitely, you know, enjoy the rest of the week here. But I'm so excited to be back home. I haven't missed back home. That's what I love. I just love going to places and not missing being home, which is how I felt in Paris. I missed being home in Paris. Vegas was okay. But yeah, Tulum feels like home to me. Also, it feels like home in Haiti because it's like very similar lifestyle. really, it's very similar. The only thing is they speak Spanish here. That's mostly the difference. And yeah, I love it here. I cannot wait to be back. This place is going to be a place where I come, yeah, twice a year. I want to be coming here twice a year, in January and in November when it starts getting cold here. I really love it. What is that? Oh, that's your phone? I thought it was the La Policia. Jose! Cool guys, I made it to the airport. I am just waiting to I've already checked in. I just have to pay for my bag and go to security. I think he said in an hour. So I'm gonna start going now because next flight is at 1:25 and it's 11:31. And yeah, I can't wait to get home. Because I'm flying to Newark. My brother's picking me up, and then I'm gonna go to my mom's house to pick up my car and then go home. And my mom left me food, which is really good. That means I don't have to cook lunch for the next couple days. And so yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm just sitting here at Starbucks. I just ate brownie. The chocolate here is just freaking amazing. So if you're in Mexico, you have to OD on the chocolate because the chocolate is just amazing. So good. Here's my stuff.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.